Hello students, myself Professor Anjali Patel from Ropel BBA College Vapi. Subject Entrepreneurship Development with respect to third semester. We will begin with unit number 1. In previous video, we have already go through the syllabus of entrepreneurship development which consists of total 5 units. Let us start with unit number 1, that is entrepreneur management. In that we will learn about concept of entrepreneurship. In that we will learn meaning and definition of entrepreneur in this video. So let us understand the meaning and definition of an entrepreneur. To begin with, you have heard about people like Dhirubhai Ambani, you have heard about Azim Premji and even a Narayan Murthy. And if we go beyond boundary, then you have heard about people like Steve Jobs also. Right, students? So these all are people who are an entrepreneur. They, at some point of time, decided to leave the job, or maybe after studying, decided that rather than working for someone else, they will work for themselves. And hence, they started a business. A business which is totally based on idea. And how this idea generated, that we will learn further in this unit. For time being, remember, entrepreneur is a person who starts a business. In a simple way, a person who does something on its own. Now, the question arises, how does word come into existence? The word entrepreneur is derived from the French verb entrepreneur and its literal meaning is to undertake. Basically, he is a person responsible for setting up a business. In fact, he is the one who has a skill for innovation. So, entrepreneur is a man who brings the overall change through innovation for the maximum social good. So, in a simple way, the key elements of an entrepreneur is innovation. Second one is risk taking, and third one is organization skill. First one, innovation, he generates new idea, so he is considered to be an innovator. Second one, risk taking, he has an ability to take a risk for his entrepreneurship, so he has a element or he has a skill to take a risk. Third one is organization skill, he has an ability to organize the resources. So, in a simple way, in a general way, now who is an entrepreneur? The one who has developed and own his own enterprise. He is a moderator, risk taker, and work under uncertainty. That is, future is uncertain for achieving the goal. He is a person who always do innovative things. He is a person who has an innovative idea, and a person generating an employment contribute to GDP is considered to be an entrepreneur. Let us understand the concept more in detail with the help of diagram. Now, what happened there? That is a person who is called an entrepreneur, which come up with an innovative idea to set up an entrepreneurship where some process or action is happen and its outcome is enterprise, which produce goods and service at large, which create employment and contribute GDP. Let us understand this diagram in more detail. Now, here there is a person who is entrepreneur. Now this person will do some process. Now this person will do some process and action which create an entrepreneurship. And through this process and action, there will be an outcome. That outcome is nothing but the enterprise. So entrepreneur is a person who does some process or action, that is entrepreneurship, and his outcome is enterprise. So that is nothing but entrepreneur, entrepreneurship, and enterprise. So, in a simple way, entrepreneur is a person who is an innovator, who is a risk taker, and who is a person who organizes the resources for his entrepreneur. So, in simple way, we can say a person which is responsible for his entrepreneurship, a person who come up with his innovative idea, a person who has the ability to take a risk is considered to be an entrepreneur. So in last, we can say entrepreneur is a person who develop his own business due to his skill, innovative, and a wealth creator. Now let us understand the definition of an entrepreneur. According to Cantillon, entrepreneur is a dealer who purchases the means of production, that is land, labor, capital. Combine them, that is land, labor, and capital is being combined into a marketable security or a product and sell at certain price in the market. Now, what Webster has told that entrepreneur is one who always assume the risks because it is an element of an entrepreneur, and he try to manage the business in that risk. And according to Peter Drucker, an entrepreneur is the one who always search for changes. He continues have an ability to have a changes in his business, respond that change and explore into opportunity for an enterprise. So a basic author who has told about an entrepreneur that Cantillon, what Cantillon has been told that entrepreneur is a dealer who purchase it, combine them into product and sell them in a certain price in the market. What Webster has told, a person assume the risks and manage the business is considered to be an entrepreneur. What Peter Drucker has done, an entrepreneur is a person who always search for changes, adopt that change or respond that change, okay, and then that changes has been exploited into opportunity. So that is nothing but a entrepreneur. So hope you understand with the definition of an entrepreneur. Now let us understand the concept of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is described as the process of handling economic activity, undertaking a risk, creating something new, organizing and coordinating the resources. Economic activity, how it being handled by entrepreneurship, because creating employment and contribute to GDP is nothing but an economic activity. Undertaking a risk where you can generate more profit. Creating something new means a new idea or a new innovative things can be developed. And lastly, organize and coordinated with resources, that means your organizing skill. The elements of entrepreneur, the key element of an entrepreneur is considered to be a basic concept of entrepreneurship, that is your person is considered to be an innovator, a person is considered to be a risk taker, and the person is considered to be having an organizing skill. That is nothing but a basic concept of entrepreneurship. Hope clear with the basic concept of entrepreneurship. So that is all about your meaning and definition of an entrepreneurship and your concept of entrepreneurship in this video. Thank you, students.